Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Jai Shri Krishna. So for today's video, we are going to print this double triangle star pattern. If n is equal to 5, this is the pattern that we have to recreate for n equal to 4 and for n equal to 2. So this looks like a hollow butterfly made of stars. So the approach that we're going to follow is in the first half we will be printing the decreasing stars, then spaces, and then decreasing stars again. And in the second half we will be printing increasing stars, spaces, and then again increasing stars. So let's talk about the implementation of code. So the outer loop controls each row here. It is iterating from 0 to n, and the first inner loop this prints the stars in the decreasing order. So what it does is कि if n is equal to 4, then it will be like 4 minus 0, and it will go from 4 3 to 1. So that way it will be iterating 4 times, and the stars will be printed 4 times for n equal to 4. Similarly 3 4 minus 1, that will be 3 in total. 3 times loop will be iterated, and so on and so forth until 0, and until 1, like 4 to 3 1. And after that spaces will be printed, like we have to we can identify like the spaces is of 0 to 4 6, like the spaces are being increased by 2 units. So that way it will be like 0 to I into 2. So if it's like if I is equals to 0, then for first iteration space will be 0 into 2, that is 0. And in second iteration for I equals to 1, it will be 1 into 2. So it will be like spaces will be 2 of 2 units. Okay, so that way we'll be able to print 2 unit spaces. And the third inner loop, it prints the stars on the right side again, as it will be going from n minus I till 0. So together this creates top pyramid with shrinking stars and expanding spaces. After that, the for the second outer loop, if you talk about second outer loop, this controls again the row for the second half, like lower pyramid we can say. And this will control the outer loop for the second half. The first inner loop, it prints the stars on the left side, and the number of stars is I plus 1, like it goes from 1 to I plus 1, like in the increasing order. If n is equals to 4 and I is equals to 0, so the star pattern will be j equal to 1, like it will go from like iterate from 1 to 2. Basically it will iterate one time, and as it will be iterating one time, it will print one star. And the spaces, so the formula for the space is 2 into n minus 2 and minus 2i. So that way, like if we can check, if n is equals to 4 and I is equals to 2 0 1 2, so the spaces will be 6 4 2. So it should be resulting 2. So if we check the formula, so for I equals to 2, it will be 2 into 4 minus 2. So that will be 4 to the 8, 8 minus 2, 6. And then after that, 6 minus 2 will be 4. So 0, 1, 2. So that way it will be like we will be needing 4 spaces when I will be 2012. So it will be 6, 4. If we will run, so when n is equals to 4 and I is equal to 0, so this is 0. Here it is at a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, and 2. And for I is equal to 2, that should be, so 4 to the 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. If we check this for I equals to 0, it should be like 2 into n minus 2 into I. Oh, sorry. It should be 2 into I. I is 2. So 4 to the 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So that way it will be printing 2 spaces. For I is equals to 2. Yeah, that's right. And after that, again we will be printing the third inner loop will be printing the right side pyramid, right side triangle, and it will be iterating till 1 to I plus 1, and then we'll be printing end line so that each stars gets printed in the next line. So this mirrors the top half and creates the bottom pyramid with growing stars and shrinking spaces. So if we combine, we get the double triangle hourglass pattern. And after executing the code, yes, we can see this combined triangle pattern. And if we submit the code, the time complexity of this code is big of n square because outer loop is iterating n times and inner loops are proportional to n. So it is near about n square, and space complexity is big of 1 as no additional like extra space is required. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, keep coding, keep exploring, keep smiling. Toodles.